This instrument here is called a pi divider, spelled P-I divider, and it's used for measuring the diameter of something, and this end you get the circumference. So if you take something like this, that's the diameter, and this is the circumference all the way around the edge. And that's used in glass blowing if you want to roll something on it. Now the way I made this was I went on the internet and I luckily found a pattern for it, which I put the crosses and things on it, so just transcribe it into a bigger scale, which I did here. And I put holes with black dots there so I could transcribe that pattern onto some small MDF, and then I cut that out to give me a template. Once I had the template, I put it together to see if it would work, and it did work, which is really good. Then I transposed the template onto some sheet steel, and then I cut out the sheet steel using a cutting disc and an angle grinder to get it to a shape. And then I just smoothed it off using progressively finer flat discs until I got to this. Now the tricky bit is actually getting the pivot point. So what I did was I got a mug and I put a black line there for the diameter and a black line there for the circumference, and I put this like that, and that gave me the pivot point. And that's how I made my pi divider, which is a very useful weapon or tool.